application presentation session, then transport, and then network, and then data link and physical. Okay. So what I said, in application layer, your if you send something, so it would be in form of data. And in presentation also, if you send something, its form would be data. In session also, if you send something, your form would be data. Okay. In transport, this data will divide into segments. Segment means chunks, pieces. Your data will divide into pieces. Like suppose that you have, let's take simple example, 500 MB data. Okay. So it will divide in 100 MB chunks. Okay. So transport layer divide your data. So it divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more, 5. 100 MB, sorry, 5 times. Now transport layer, your data form will change into segment. Now in network also, your data will change in form of packet. Why packet? Because router work on this layer. So router work, packet is data, but router consider data as a packet. Okay, that's why we write packet. In data link, switch device will work. So switch consider data as a frame, not packet, not segment, not data, as a frame. It consider as a frame. In physical layer, what happen? There would be cables like Ethernet cable, other cable. So your binary will convert in electricity, not electricity, in voltage or in light. So this is brief introduction about OSI model. So I will show you in internet also, like about OSI model. Okay, now I got 5 minutes, right? Oh, shit. Yeah. So OSI model, let's see there. Images, yes. Okay, which one would be good
Ashish,
for?
can I join the class later on? Because
Yeah,
right now I
yeah,
have
yeah, you
other work.
can join. You
Oh,
can
yeah.
join.
Bye-bye.
No problem. Okay, not this. Just see. Yeah, this one. This one is easy to understand. So this is OSI model picture. So I already said it about, like, this is the application layer, presentation layer, then we have session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Now these three, application, presentation, and session, these are software layers. And transport layer is heart of OSI. Now we have hardware layer. So network, data link, and physical. This is a hardware layer. If data is going from application to physical, so we will say sender is sending data. Okay. Sender is sending data. Like you are working in application layer, there is a PC work. PC work in this layer. So if data is going application to physical, so that means you are sending a data. If data is coming physical to application, that means I am getting a data. I am receiving data. Did you got my point? Did you get my point? What I want to say?
No, really. But it's only me right now. But I don't know. Like I don't get all that.
Yeah, only you are because they are doing their work.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
They they are already doing their work. I already give them.
Mm-hmm.
So these in application layer,
Mm-hmm.
PC work on this layer.
Application.
Yeah, PC work on this layer. PC means like personal computer, your laptop, anything, and device,
Yes.
we can say. So if data is going application to, I'm not writing whole layers, application
Mm-hmm.
to data, sorry, physical layer.
Mm-hmm.
So we can say we are sending data
Yes.
because suppose that you are running WhatsApp here in your PC, not
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp. We can use WhatsApp
Again.
on PC. It's not problem. So I'm using
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp here.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes. Okay.
WhatsApp, Line, Viber, anything, whatever you want.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I'm sending to, there is another PC.
Yes.
There is another PC. I am sending, this is my PC. Okay.
Okay.
You are sending a data. So now you are sender. So first your data will go in presentation layer.
Mm-hmm.
Then your data will go in session layer.
Mm-hmm.
Then presentation session transport. It will divide in transport like in pieces.
Okay. I got it.
Then
Okay.
it will go in network layer.
Mm-hmm.
Router work on this layer. So my data will be same, but name would be changed. Name would be packet. Data is data, but router consider data as a packet. Now in data link, switch work on this layer. Okay. Now it physical. That means wire.
Yes.
So my data traveled presentation to physical. Now in physical, it will convert binary to voltage, like what type of cable you are using. Like if I
Okay.
am using Ethernet,
Mm-hmm.
so in Ethernet we have electric signals,
Mm-hmm.
so it will convert in voltage. If I am using a fiber, do you know fiber cable?
Yes.
So it will convert in form of light. Now this is my PC. Your PC, now your PC work is completed. Your data is already converted in
I
light.
think so.
Suppose,
Your PC is gonna be all those information like uh percentage, segment, trans. It's gonna start like from the lowers, I believe so, right?
yeah, yeah. So my
Mhm.
PC will receive first, light signal. Like I got a light signal. So my physical layer will convert this light signal in binary,
Mhm.
0 and 1. Okay. Then my data link receive this data. Then now data is going like this, down to up. Then my network layer will receive this data. And after that, my transport layer receive this data. Then my session layer, then my presentation,
And the physical.
and after that, I will get your message by in application
Yes,
layer
application.
because my PC already working there. So I got you send hello, a message like this, and I got your hello here.
Yep.
So it's a process. It's a basic process. How you send data, how other person will receive data. So this layer is defined only how your data will travel, how it will secure, how it will go in other network. Suppose that you are in Eastern zone. Suppose that, okay, or I
Mm-hmm.
am in IST zone. So both is different. Like I'm working as a India's I am working as according to Indian time zone. You are
Mm-hmm.
working as a Eastern time zone. So both different time zones. That time your router will work.
Okay.
How we have to make network between each other because we are in both different location.
Mm-hmm.
It's completely different. From your side is day, from my side is night.
You are in India, right?
Yeah, I'm from India.
No, no. I mean, like, where is your current location? Is this India or USA?
My current location is India.
Oh, in India. Okay.
Yeah, my current location is India, but my senior Bharat, Shakti, they are living in New Jersey.
Oh, you live now in New Jersey?
No, now I am living in India, but like Bharat, do you know Bharat?
What is it?
Bharat,
No, what is that?
oh, there is one person with us
Oh,
before.
but okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I got him. I got him. Yeah, yeah. He's
Yeah,
okay. I got you.
he's living in New Jersey, and
And
there is one person more, my senior, Shakti.
mm-hmm.
He's also living
Uh-huh.
in USA,
Okay.
New Jersey, same Eastern time zone.
Got you. Mm-hmm. Cool.
Only I am working from India. I
Cool.
don't know
Cool.
whenever I will work from India. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever I have project, I will work from India.
I see. That's cool.
Then my remote work will come. So I will also
Mm-hmm.
go for.
And you just you what are you doing exactly? You just like giving lecture for
Yeah,
courses for
yeah.
network.
No. I am a trainer and security engineer also.
Oh, cool.
I am working as a trainer and security engineer also.
Oh, nice,
Uh,
nice.
I have almost 6.5 year experience in networking domain as a trainer and security engineer.
Nice.
Yeah, so training is my passion.
Cool, cool.
Working I do for for just living, for living.
For living, yeah.
Yeah, working I do, but training I like it.
Nice.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what we were talking, network.
Mm-hmm.
So we are living in different places. Okay, so
Yes.
router work in different place. Router work to communicate in different place. Now we have devices switch. It works only in local area, like in
Mm-hmm.
your office, in your. So
Yeah.
your data will go through all these layers, and I will also receive this data from
Mm-hmm.
down to up through these layer. Okay, so that is the
Okay.
procedure if you send any message. So we will talk, in the next class deeply about in these layers. Not
Mm-hmm.
today, because I don't want to give you burden too much. Okay.
Yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
not today. I will talk about this layer deeply. In next class, I will go inside, in deep.
Cool, cool,
What
cool.
what is the presentation layer? What is application layer? What process they do? What is the compression? What is TCP UDP? Everything.
And